Welcome to Taylor Volkswagen, located at 3615 East Quance Gate. Once you've scheduled your convenient service appointment, all you have to do is pull into our service drive-thru, located on the south end of the building. Once you pull up, the doors will automatically open. Come on in to our heated drive-thru, where you'll be greeted by one of our friendly service staff. Once all your information is gathered for your car, will be taken into the service queue, at which point, one of our trained VW technicians will bring it into our state-of-the-art service shop. We have factory-trained technicians with many years of combined experience. Our shop foreman has been with us for over 25 years. From our road force wheel balancing machine to our VW diagnostic laptops and everything in between, we have the tools and the technicians to repair your VW. Once your vehicle's repairs or maintenance are completed, we will give your car a complimentary hand wash. So book your service appointment today. We are open 7:30 to 5:30, Monday to Friday. Visit us at taylorvw.ca for monthly parts and service specials.